Hi everyone, nice to see you all again. Today I'm going to make a silver purple hair stick. I named this hair stick Moon Shadow Flower Plant. And this hair stick can be used in two ways, off and on chin. It is very beautiful and elegant also. Today I decided to make the purple with the silver colors because yesterday I made the golden with purple colors. And which hair stick do you think is the most beautiful one? Leave me a comment below that you think which one is the most beautiful and elegant. In my opinion, the golden and the silver, they all have their own beautiness. The golden is noble and charm, and the silver is pure and pure, pure and pure. I think pure is little hard for me to pronounce. That is my opinion for the golden and the silver. For these two hair sticks with the purple colors. What do you think? What is your opinion about them? Tell me in the comment below. And I would like to hear that. I would like to know your opinion also. For this time, I use the glue E6000. The one reason because I think my hot glue gun is die off. Last time I am talking about my hot glue gun throwing out a lot of glue itself, and this time it also throwing out a lot of glue itself, and I decided to use E6000 to try which glue is better. E6000 cures very slowly and you have to wait long time for it to cure, so it can be stable and secured. I think E6000 is good for the accessory. Better than hot glue gun, I think. That is my opinion. What is your opinion about these two glue? Yesterday, my boyfriend was talking to me that my sound recording was awful. I speak a bad English, like English, and he said people that could not understand what I am talking. He said I better be silent while recording. I should not be talking all the way to the end. I really want to know if I did bad recording. Leave me a comment below if you think my sound recording is very bad. I should be silent while I'm recording my video or not. I really want to know that because he said when I sound recording, I always speak English like the Z. He said something like a mouse sound like, but I don't think that I have recording something like a mouse sound because I am not mouse. First, I am human. Never mind. Do you think I record something like I speak it? I speak my English like something at the end of sounds like Z. Maybe sometimes I did, maybe not. I'm not sure. So I need someone to leave me comment to tell me the truth. If you have to say I speak English sounds like Z at the end. I and the mouse. I don't want to be a mouse because mouse isn't cute. If I have to choose a kind of animal like mouse, I want to be hamster because hamster is very cute. And I don't know if hamster will sound like the mouse GC. Sorry about that. Sorry about if I bothering you by recording this sound recording. So please forgive me. And if you did hear my English sounds like Z, like mouse, I think you are the cat, because only the cat can hear that. I don't know. But if you are cat, you have to love me, not harm me, okay? Please. Sorry, I am joking. And that's all for today. And thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.